Puss. Puss, 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 puss. Puss. Lie down. Lie down, lie down, lie down, lie down. Cute, cute, cute. Ah. Kata, 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 kata. Si apa sih? Hey guys, so this hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video. I wanted to inform you guys that I'm back in the village as we move around my home compound. Haven't figured out what to put next, so I decided let me just move around with you people and see my house. That's our former kitchen, but got destroyed, got burnt. This is our bananas. It is here. You can see our mangoes. So guys, I'm back in the village. Yeah, I love my life. Fuss. That's our cat. He keeps following me everywhere I go. Pussy, fuss. Fuss. Where is he taking me now? Fuss. Don't run. Come back. We go back home. Fuss. Let's go. We go back home. Pussy. Puss. Puss, come. Puss, come. Puss. Come, we go home. Very funny. Puss. Bye. Bye. Check where he's going. Hello guys, like I said, I'm back home in the village, so you're going to be seeing more of my village content now until maybe late April, where I'll be going back to do my clearance at school. So I hope you enjoy with me my stay in the village. Love you guys. Keep supporting, keep subscribing. Bye.